Hi, in front of me is Realme Narzo 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic correction on this device. Start by going into Settings. Now scroll down, go into Additional Settings and click on Keyboard and Input Method. Then select your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and go into Text Correction. All you need to do from here is scroll down and tap on the switcher next to autocorrection. Autocorrection is now turned off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!